Now we can discuss about risk management. Risk management is the process of identifying, assessing and controlling threats to an organization's capital and earnings. These risks system stem from a variety of sources including financial uncertainties, legal liabilities and technology issues, strategic management efforts, errors, accidents and natural disasters. And especially risk management is very high in very big projects. Multiple projects will be there. In multiple projects, concurrent problems also will come. That means you are doing one module, the same program will run in all other modules also. If any changes come in this module, all other modules will be changed indirectly. That will give an effect. So that some certain get together should be there. I am having this problem. I maintain likewise. I want to maintain likewise. Is there any problem to you if you change it likewise? All these technical discussions has to come in notice. Then only risk management will go in a smooth way. Then your risks will be cleared cleanly. That is the information. So get together and open discussions also most important in risk management. Then what are the 5 types of risk management? The basic methods of risk management is avoidance, retention, sharing, transferring, and loss prevention and reduction can apply to all facets of an individual's life and can pay off in the long run. Here is look at these 5 methods and how they can apply to the management of health risks. So avoiding is also most important because my good experience in one project is multi-threaded synchronized server. That concept has come. That means they want when any request is coming, last in first out, and they are asking about first in last out also. Request comes, the response also will come in the way. Request and response, that may be sometimes they want, if they want in FIFO first in first out, that is okay. If they want in last in first out, that is also should be okay. Likewise they asked, then we asked them why this change is there. FIFO and LIFO means they asked that emergency is there, we will go into the LIFO. If emergency is not there, we will go into first in first out only. So that according to our emergency and the problems, we are going likewise. So then we developed like this, but it is taking a very big logical thing, that is multi-threaded synchronized server. We put it. Every thread will give a question to them. Will respond to a question to the project, and then it will come one by one likewise. That is stack flow system also we use it likewise. By that it has been completed successfully. That will be called as multi-threaded synchronized server. Especially in synchronization means once reading it won't write. Once writing means it won't read. That is the synchronization. So that concept is very beautifully useful to our programs. This is my experience. Then we can go into the 5 steps to any effective risk management process. Identify the risk, analyze the risk, prioritize the risk, treat the risk, and monitor the risk. What are the 4 types of risk assessment? Qualitative risk, quantitative risk, generic risk assessments, cite a specific risk, dynamic risk, and remember things also most important. These are the 4 types of risk assessments. What are the components of management? There are at least 5 crucial components that must be considered when creating a risk management framework. They include risk identification, risk measurement, risk assessment, risk mitigation, risk reporting and monitoring, and risk governance. Then, what are the 5 principles of risk assessment? Identify hazards, decide who may be harmed and how, assess the risks and take action, make a record for the findings, review the risk assessment. These are the 5 principles of risk assessment. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.